Welcome back. This is lesson 7, and today we are going to talk about questions. We're going to talk about present simple questions. But they're for actions. Now remember, an action is run, play, read, eat, walk. They're things you do. And they also are things you feel, like, love, enjoy, hate. So what happens is, in a normal sentence, we'll say, I do play football. He or she or it does play football. And you do play football. We do play football. They do play football. But now we want to make it in a question. So what we do is we move the verb in front of the subject. Look. There we go. So do goes in front of the subject. Look again. So I do play football. Do I play football? Does he play football? Does she play football? Do you play football? Do we play football? Do they play football? Now if we ask again, do you play football? The answer is going to be yes. Or yes, I do play football. Or you're going to say no, I don't play football. But what happens if you want more information? If you want more information, you have to put a word in front of your verb. So in front of your do and your does, you're going to put a question word. Like what, when, where, why, how often, who. Do you remember what these are for? What time, what place. When, where is for location. Why, for a reason. How often. And then who. So, what time do I play football? And the answer is going to be, I play football at 8 o'clock. When do I play football? I play football on Sunday. Where do I play football? I play football on the beach. Why do I play football? I play football because I love football. How often do I play football? I play football twice a week. Who do I play football with? I play with my friends. Now, of course, normally we wouldn't ask about I, we'd ask about you. What time do you play football? When do you play football? And the answer is going to give information. Remember also here with he and she and it, you have your S in front of he, she, and it on does. Where does he play football? Why does he play football? Where do you play football? Why do you play football? Why does he play football? Now let's practice. So, the car is it. So do the car use a lot of petrol, or does the car use a lot of petrol? Now we know for he and she and it, we must have the S, and the car is it. So does the car use a lot of petrol? And your answer is yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. Do you like fishing, or does you like fishing? Let's think. No. Remember, he and she and it has an S. You does not have an S. So it must be, do you like fishing? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Do your mother work, or does your mother work? You know this one. That's right. Does your mother work? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. So now let's try it with more information. These ones we can't answer with yes or no because these are question words. Where do your mother work or where does your mother work? Your mother is she, so you have to have the S. Where does your mother work? You can say she works in an office or at a school or at a hospital. And now there's an interesting question here. Say, what do you do? Or what does you do? Now it's you, so you know there's no S. So the question is, what do you do? But what does it mean? When someone asks you, what do you do? They are saying, what is your job? So what do you do? The answer is, I am a teacher. I am a policeman. I am a student. I am a driver. Okay, always a in front of a job. Now, there are other ones you can do on your own. Here we go. And that's it for today. Well done. And we'll see you next time where we're going to mix the verb be and the verb do questions and see how well you do. See you then. Have a nice day.